Starting your Bschool journey from the business orientation program at PIBM is more than just academics. It's a transformation that sets you apart. Through case studies and simulations, you're solving real business challenges from day one. Students engage directly with top leaders through corporate sessions, workshops, and get a real-world exposure during multiple industry visits. And because confidence is just as important as knowledge, our mentorship program and communication and aptitude workshops help students speak up, think fast, and lead with purpose. Beyond the classroom, clubs and CSR initiatives help you build leadership and drive impact where it matters. And yes, the learning never stops. From treks and beach trips to cultural exploration, every experience adds to your growth. It all kicks off with Aarambh, a celebration of energy, talent, and team spirit that sets the tone for everything ahead. This is PIBM's Business Orientation Program, where your journey to becoming a confident and a capable leader truly begins.